I'm going to show you how to blur out sensitive information in a video using CapCut PC. First thing we need to do is make a copy of our main clip. So I'm going to say Control C and then Control V to paste it. Command C and Command V if you're on a Mac. Then I'm going to drag it so it matches up with the bottom one. Next I'm going to click on Effects and I'm going to search for Blur. I like to use this one, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag it to the bottom clip, the main clip. Next I'm going to click on the top one, then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on Mask. I'm going to click Add Mask. And I'm going to go with rectangle. You could use circle or any of the other shapes. Then I'm going to click on this, which is reverse. So now you can see we have our blur tool here to work with. I'm going to drag this to the area that I want. I'm going to reshape it just so I blur out the sensitive information and not the entire video. Okay, so we're good to go here. Next thing I'll show you is that this video has motion in it if we were to play it, and the sensitive information would be exposed. So we need to make sure that that is blurred out throughout the motion. We're gonna use keyframes to do that. So we're gonna drag this over to where the motion starts, right about there. Make sure the top clip is selected. And then on the right-hand side, we're gonna click on Add Keyframe. So we'll click on that. See, there's the keyframe. Then I'm gonna drag this over to the right and I'm gonna add another one right about there. And to add another one, I don't have to click this again. Instead, I'm simply gonna drag this over, cover that, and it automatically adds it for me. So then if we go a little bit further, I'm gonna make another one right there. And again, I don't need to click this again. I just need to move this over. So we're gonna go ahead and move this over. You can see it added the keyframe. And then let's continue scrolling to the end, and it looks like we don't need to add another keyframe. It's gonna be blurred out for the duration of this video. Let's go ahead and see if that's the case. Press play. And it works. So that's how to blur out sensitive information in a video using CapCut Desktop. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider following for more tutorials. See you in the next one.